So the answer is in the question. You need to deal with your issues as they arise, and you need to create safe spaces to do that. So in your home, with your partner, with your husband, with your wife, create a space to check in to what is there and actually make space and time for it. You won't find the time just in life, you will have to create it. But this is the thing, if you don't create the space for it, this is what happens. It comes out, this energy comes out in the worst possible ways at the worst possible times. And we end up, embarrassing ourselves, hurting our partners, doing all these things that we don't need to do because we're avoiding the actual thing we need to do, which is have the conversation and to really, start to look at it from a place of it's totally normal to have challenges in your relationship. It's totally normal to have disagreements. It's okay to have differences and to have different perspectives. The problem is that you're not holding a space for yourself and your partner and having open